Hope for the artistic. In her poem, Hope, Emily Dickinson uses the metaphor of a bird to describe this quality that resides in the human soul, a bird that sings the sweetest when life's storms are the cruelest. Hope. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings a tune without the words and never stops at all. And sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. I've heard it in the chilliest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me. In her poem, Hope, Emily Dickinson uses the metaphor of a bird to describe hope within the human soul, a bird that sings the sweetest when life's storms are the cruelest. Hope, like the bird in Emily's poem, has tremendous ability to not only survive, but to thrive. If you are an artistic person, then you have the need for hope. Most creatives are gifted with a sensitive spirit that helps them to capture and translate human experiences into art. Yet this sensitivity is also vulnerable to hopelessness. Hopelessness, wingless bird, plucked raven of my soul, scavenger of all that is good, hopes and dreams collector, darkened thoughts, doubts swelling into self-pity, questioner of the true, possibility thief. Just like ravens steal shiny objects, hopelessness steals your hopes and your dreams. But hope brings back your possibilities. Hope helps you to rise above circumstances. Hope helps you to soar above oceans of difficulties. Hope is fueled by faith, the belief that God has a special plan for your life, and this plan includes your artistic talents. One only has to be like the heron of hope and hold on during those dark nights of the soul. Heron of hope, O bearer of bad news, messenger of grief, enemy of my soul, intent on my undoing, yet I will arise again like the heron of hope. Odd bird of belief, spearing piranhas of despair, and when hopelessness torments in the early morning hours, I will hold fast to a feather until hope visits again. Remember, pursuing your artistic interests will release hope. Hope empowers artistic exploration. Here's a great quote. It is in all of us to defy expectations, to go into the world and to be brave, and to want, to need, to hunger for adventures, to embrace the chance and risk so that we may breathe and know what it is to be free by May Chavret. Hope deferred makes the heart sick, but desire fulfilled is a tree of life, and I hope your desire to create will become a tree of life for you.